Hey guys, the Monster here at the Monster Garage with our brand new 2020 RT Limited, and we have some cool products already for this bike. And we went on our first little ride yesterday and found a couple of little shortcomings that I'm fixing today. And one of them is being able to charge your cell phone. And this has got a USB, not just charging, but it also hooks up your radio. This has got a nice little USB port in here. But what the problem we found is once you put this into your phone, and this is a pretty small case actually, but if you have a bigger case, it's worse. So once you put that in, and you put this in, whoop, wrong one, my bad. You put this in, it's just kind of a, whoop, I did it, my bad again. There we go, there we go. Okay, so by the time you get that in, it's just a little bit tight to get this all shut. So it's just really not deep enough to get the cable and everything on your cell phone. And if you got a big phone, you're not even gonna be able to do it. So what's our solution to that? And that is adding a USB port that's external from this port here. And the beauty is, it's so easy. This is the easiest install of our USB extension I've ever done. And I'll tell you why. If you look, basically our USB cable runs through here, down the cable here, then out here, and without even any tools at all, I was able, let me just shine a light here to make it a little bit brighter, but you're able to pull this lid out, and I was able to fish the cable right through here. And what I did is I just took a zip tie, big zip tie, poked it up through here, tied my cable, and then pulled it back. So it comes right through here. The cable is actually a little long because we use it for RT and the F3, but there's plenty of room to stuff it back in there. And basically you just put that back. If you look, you'll see inside here, there's a little hole. This is the plug that comes out of that hole. I'm gonna wind up finding a nice little grommet to fit in there. But till then, this works just fine. So now you just plug the USB extension into your BRP Connect and put it down like so. And like I say, literally no tools at all. Now, the way that we're putting this all together, this is our top cap. Let me turn this light off. This is our top cuff, and then this particular top cuff allows you to put mirrors on it. It's got 3/4 20 holes tapped into it, so you can put a bottle holder, phone mount, USB. I mean, basically, it's up to you. We're big on RAM balls, so we have RAM mounts to it. What I've done on this particular one, this side I've got a regular bottle holder. Over here I've got our Spyder phone fang. So if you take the phone fang, put it in there like so, that holds the phone real nice. Now, in order to charge it, this is our product also. This is a little USB extension. It's a nice billet piece, and we give you a long bolt that you can replace the bolt on the ram arm, and put this on, and then the little handle, and put it in like so, and put that in like so. So now, when I go to turn it on, as you'll see in just a minute, it's gonna, once it kind of goes through its cycle, it will power up. Can't remember. Yeah, okay, so now it says 36% charge. It's charging here. But now all your music, everything will go, everything as if you're plugged in here is now external where you need it. So just a really handy way to hook it all up. And like I say, literally took no tools at all to run this cable. It's a long zip tie, that's it. So super easy install. You can find it in the 2020 section of themonstergarage.com of the 2020 RT. And really, if you look at all this, it's just very factory, same powder coat matches, everything matches. It's one of our most popular product for the 2020. This is going to be our new most popular, I'm sure. This is our 20-inch Freedom windshield, medium tint. Love it. Looks good on the bike. Does a great job protecting you from the wind. But anyway, this is the third mod that I've done on the bike so far. Lid locks. That's another mod that we just recently did. But I just wanted to. I'm so excited about how easy it is to wire this up. Literally anybody should be able to do it. So just check us out at themonster.com.